Out of 10, how would you rate the difficulty of the CSWA mechanical design exam? Well, I'm an expert, so when it comes to me, it's probably going to be relatively easy. If you ask a CSWP, he's going to say that it's a bit harder because he hasn't went that much higher in terms of levels. But since I've seen all the exams in the mechanical design lineup, I think it's relatively easy. With that being said, I'm probably going to put it somewhere between 3 and 4, since it's probably the first exam most of you will take, and it covers multiple topics, not that much topics. It only covers sketching, making basic parametric models and basic assemblies, but it's just like when you're going for your very first exam, it's like a different style, and there's a certain level of difficulty or fear inside of you that should be taken account for. So I think that from 3 to 4, let's go with 3.5. That sounds like a good number for me. But if I'm talking in general with another CSWE, I'm gonna say probably 2. So to be honest, yeah.